ChuChu TV!
Hi there, my friends! Today, we're going to learn about public transportation vehicles. Okay, let's cast our magic spell. Little ones, let's open these colorful eggs one by one.
Okay! Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the red egg?
Open! Open! Open!
Surprise! It's a rickshaw!
Wow! Yay! Rickshaw!
We take the rickshaw to go for a ride in the big park. Shall we open the yellow egg?
Open! Open! Open!
Surprise! It's an electric tuk-tuk!
Wow! Yay! Electric tuk-tuk!
We take a ride in the electric tuk-tuk to travel to the beach.
Wow! Balloons! Bye-bye! Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the blue egg?
Open! Open! Open!
Surprise! It's a cab!
Wow! Yay! Cab!
We take the cab to get back home from the airport.
Thank you!
Shall we open the purple egg?
Open! Open! Open!
Surprise! It's a bus!
Wow! Yay! Bus!
The bus takes a group of people to visit places and go on tours. Did you kids have a great time learning about some public transportation vehicles?
Yes! We learned a lot about public transportation vehicles and their purpose, Mr. Harlow.
Shall we say them all over again?
Okay! Rickshaw! Electric tuk-tuk! Cab! Bus!
Great work, my friends! It's getting dark, and it's time to go home. So long, my friends!
Bye-bye!